Hello everyone. The rental order branch Odoo app helps you to manage a rental orders for the different branches in one company. User can see only their branch data, while manager can access all. It also will work with a multi-company setup. Let's dive in and see how it works. After installing this module, let's get into the settings. Under user and companies, where you can see an option to create a branches. So for creating a branch, we need to give the name, company, telephone number, and also the address. So once the setup will be done, let's get into the user to enable a branch to the user. Now let's get into the Mitchell admin, where you can see an option to enable multiple branch. And on the top, we need to give a branch as a user or else an administrator. Now, on the top, we can see a preferences where we need to add and allowed branches for the user wise. Now you can see it will be the main branch will be Surat as we have selected a Surat over here. Now let's get into the rental and see how it works, where you can see we are in the Surat branch, so it will list out the record based on the Surat. If you get into the Ahmedabad, it will list out all the records based on an Ahmedabad. But if you need to view both, we have another module to enable multiple branches in a rental management. Check in this video description for the module link. Now, we are in Ahmedabad branch where we can see an Ahmedabad related records. Now, if user tries to create a new rental order where it will fetch a branch as an Ahmedabad as a default. And also we have a filter option to filter it out based on the branch wise. So if I get into any record where we can see a print option to print and quotation, where in the print itself you can see a branch will be added. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.